Here it is.
Get the dog out.
Look at that.
We got some hogs laid up. Missouri hogs in action at a time.
Oh,
You alright?
damn. There they are. I see them.
Hold on. Is it a big boy?
I can't tell.
Oh.
I see them up there.
Hold on. No, I'm just gonna see.
Can't tell what they got.
Don't shoot from here.
He's not. He's just looking through the scope to see if he can spot it.
I see it.
Do you? They're up on that hillside. Is it? A big boar?
Eric, we gotta get there. I heard a dog yelp.
You wanna bust ass right now?
I just.
Is Bam on the same pig or? There they go. They're chasing it.
Oh, there's two of them.
There it is.
Hold on.
It might be running down towards us.
Sells. Yep. It sells. You sure? It sells. It sells. Sells and some little ones. Are you sure? Yes. I've seen that big old sow jump up over there. It's a sow. It's a sow and some little ones. Yeah. Some little ones. The other ones were that way. The other pig was that way.
I think we need to get up on the trail. Over there.
Oh, what's coming? Something's coming. It's coming. Let's get where we can shoot.
Yeah.
That's my dog.
Is it?
Yeah, the dog. Jesse. Oh. Missouri hardcore hog hunting action. We got hogs chasing all over the hillside. We got some bait up. Let's hopefully we can seal the deal. Got Eric, Jesse, and Andy out here in Missouri hunting wild hogs.
Well, viewers of Show Me State Hog Hunter, we're in some deep shit right now. All our dogs lost. Bam's out there a ways. Lost him on the GPS. Got one dog back all cut up from a big boar. It's not looking good. Oh yeah? You're gonna mean something, bitch, ain't you?
20 minutes of getting over here, we found a good sign and got on page late in the day, and we got dogs out 2 miles and no way to get to them, folks. And if you care about your dogs as much as we do, you know that feeling we're feeling right now, and it's not a good one. So we built camp here. We're trying to dry out. There's still a lot of snow and ice on the ground, and we got our buddies 2 miles away driving around trying to find roads to see if they can get to them. We got a dog that was cut, so we got on the pigs. We seen the pigs. We almost got right to the bay, within 100 yards, and they broke. Big group of hogs. The dogs split up and went everywhere, and yeah, it's not looking good, folks. We're worried sick. I mean, I think we got 2 of our dogs back, and we still got 2 out there. We got dogs 2 miles and dogs at 3 miles. So that's what happens. You got to build a fire, survive, do what you got to do. We're here till we either get the dogs back, because they're part of the family, and we love them, man. We'll do whatever it takes. We dropped everything in our life, and we're going to stay here till we find them. Hog Hunters and Outdoors. Woo!
Check it and see. Got the feeling of 103. Oh, baby, do you do more than dance? I'm hot-blooded, hot-blooded.
Show Me Stay Hog Hunters and Outdoors presents
Crazy Vicious Iron Man hunt. We haven't had the benefit of conditions, but we're going out anyways. Everything has gone wrong this week. My truck ran out of gas. My dogs won't hunt.
My hemorrhoids are flaring up.
His hemorrhoids are flaring up. My back's out of place. But we're going out after it. We can stay in the tent, listen to the rain. But no! We're gonna go catch a pig! Woo!
And this, folks, is what happens when you leave your shotgun at the last stop.
The walk of shit.
Get on! Get him! Watch him!
Where's it, Frank? Where's it, Frank? Well, no, they're big on a person.
We're gonna get on some pigs today, buddy? You better stay right with us. Hey, stay right with us. Them are some sweet shorts you got today out here.
Hey man, gets me moving. You got pant legs restricting me. I can jump over 5-foot fences and without a problem.
How fast can you run in those?
Faster than a hog. Oh, I just got thorns in the scrotum. Pretty bad one. I went to jump over it and I didn't make it.
That's why we don't hunt dogs here in Missouri with Daisy Dukes.
It's worth it though, man. As soon as you catch a pig, you throw a pig down Daisy Dukes. There's a twice, man, that a man throws pig down in regular pants. You're doing it in shorty shorts with your guts hanging out and everything. That's
Woo! That was so funny. He
People say it's mean, it's unfair. I mean, look at this farmer's field. They rooted it all up. He can't even get a tractor down here. This is his livelihood. All these farmers up here, man. Feel bad for them. Looks like they ran a plow through here.